the Galaxy Note 9 has been out for more than a month, so it's time for Samsung to once again be the center of attention with the release of some new colors. Although it may seem strange, they are the most standard color options possible, silver and black. At launch, Note 9 was only available in blue and lavender in the USA. It was a nice change, since the phones are only available in black and white. But it also meant that those attenuated standard color options were not available. Now Samsung is correcting that. The United States will be the first country to obtain Note 9 in silver from the cloud, which will begin on October 5 through Best Buy and its own website. It is assumed that the Black Midnight model will be released later, on October 12. Samsung likes to display new colors of their phones a few months after launch, presumably as a way to increase interest after being in stores for a while. It's not a bad strategy, but it generally does things the other way around. It launches with softer colors and then adds something more interesting.